How to use voice control for ChatGPT. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open up your preferred browser in your PC. Once you open it up, simply in the search bar search for Web Store. And once you search for it, simply tap on extensions. Now right here in the search bar search for voice control for ChatGPT. Now once you search for it, simply tap on Add to Chrome button and then tap on Add Extension. As soon as the extension is added, it will automatically open ChatGPT for you. So now simply tap on OK, let's go, then tap on Next, and then tap on Done. And just like so, tap on this record option. And just like so, you'll then be able to enable voice control on ChatGPT. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.